Here are two Boost Mobile phones. In my left wing is Moto G Power, in my right wing is Samsung Galaxy A12. Both are newcomers to Boost Mobile. Moto G Power is 2 months old, Samsung Galaxy A12 is a newborn. So if you guys are planning to buy any one of these, then you should watch this video till the end because we are going to do the comparison. So let's see who is the winner. Stay connected till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have already made the unboxing videos of both phones. Links are in the description, feel free to watch. Let's stick to the major specifications which makes one phone better on another. So let's start with the display. Moto G Power has 6.6-inch HD display. Samsung Galaxy A12 has 6.5-inch HD display. So the difference is only 0.1 inch. So let's say the both are even in the screen size. So let's play some video on both. Let's see which one looks better, the resolution, as well as we're gonna check the sound. So let's play Moto G Power first. We're gonna play same video one by one on both phones. This is Moto G Power, as you can see. Okay. Another new Samsung Galaxy phone for Boost Mobile already in the market. Volume is high. Boost Mobile is going aggressive and launched 4 new phones back to back at this time. Resolution is great. The colors are bright enough. In this video, we cannot say the speaker or the sound because this is not a music, but it has a good bass. So let's play the same video and Samsung Galaxy A12. So this is same video I'm going to play on Samsung Galaxy A12. Let's see the resolution as well as the sound quality. Another new Samsung Galaxy phone for Boost Mobile already in the market. Colors are dull. Aggressive and Moto G Power has a better resolution, 100%. This time. So by Motorola. Even the sound is not louder, it has a low bass as compared to Moto G Power. So stay connected till the end. So resolution as well as the sound is low. So we can say that Moto G Power is leading the contest with good screen resolution and sound system. So now let's check this second category, the brain capacity, I mean the processor and the RAM. So Moto G Power has Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, 662 octa-core processor with 4 GB RAM, while Samsung Galaxy A12 has MediaTek chip P35 quad-core processor with 3 GB RAM. So in this category, Moto G Power is also leading again by offering an octa-core processor as compared to the quad-core processor and 4 GB RAM as compared to 3 GB RAM. So Moto G Power is faster than Samsung Galaxy A12. Storage is the another category which makes one phone better on the another one. So let's see which phone has a better built-in memory or storage. So let's do Moto G Power first. Okay, as you guys can see, it has 64 GB built-in memory. Only 17.19 GB was used for the initial setup, and this supports external SD card up to 512 GB. Moto G Power. Now let's check on Samsung Galaxy A12. Only 32 GB built-in memory and half of that is gone already in the initial setup. So Samsung Galaxy A12 uses can take external SD card up to 1 terabyte, which is huge, but that is good for the music, pictures, videos, but you cannot put applications in it. You need more storage, the built-in storage, to download the application. Samsung Galaxy A12, you guys gonna get stuck in couple of months if you download more applications and other data in it. Then your phone gonna keep asking you to delete some stuff, and you're not gonna able to finish that problem. But Moto G Power, you might not have that issue because this one has 64 GB, which is double than that. So again, Moto G Power has the better storage as compared to Samsung Galaxy A12. So let's talk about the battery. We need to know which phone gonna last longer in terms of the battery. So luckily both phones has the same battery, 5000 milliamps. Both are fast charging capable. And if we talk about the software, both phones has the Android 10, so they are even over there too. The price is only $10 difference. Moto G Power is $10 cheaper, 170. Samsung Galaxy A12 is $180. Not a big difference again. So without going into more detail and talking about other inner specifications, which hardly we use, we can say with confidence that Moto G Power is the better phone than Samsung Galaxy A12. So that's all. I hope you guys like this video, and this video helps you to make your decision. If you guys have watched this video till now, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys can get my upcoming videos. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.